Alrighty, let's get this other one up and then we can put the... Look at that. Shut up. Oh yeah. Okay. I'll hold it. You can screw it in. There, good. Pretty flush right there. Yep. These are in. The braces are in. And just gotta put the last step on, which is right here.
Well, we had just a couple more things to address when it came to the stairs. It wasn't entirely completed in the last video, but we added that last step, a couple of braces underneath, and the bottom part of the railings before switching gears to the wall construction.
We got it, man. Stairs are done. They look great. Help me out a lot. Big help. Got the top step in. See how it feels. Oh, it's solid, baby. Solid.
On to the next phase.
Here's our plans. Doing that wall. Getting started on that wall, framing it. Got all the measurements. We're doing some cutting. Got our piles over there. Last ones here. We need a 34 incher. Right there. Two 34 inches and a 5.5 incher.
I had sketched out the first couple of walls, which were going to be the largest in size. There would be 9 walls in total to complete the interior space once everything was finished. The biggest one of all was this very first wall, complete with 2 window frames and a doorway to access the eastern deck. So my son helped me once again with framing and the live edge siding that is coming shortly.
Very cool.
Yep. Just need the siding now. Huh?
Coming to life.
Yeah.
Before I began on the live edge siding, I had some boards for the trim that I wanted to attach to each of the corners first.
that's the trim for the first wall, not including windows, doorway. But the trim is important before the siding. I just showed you that, but I had the siding delivered yesterday. So I'm ready to measure, cut, start slapping that on. Once I get the siding on, I can put this wall up. It is time to get this thing up. So here we go. Busy putting up the siding on the wall, on the frame wall. This is the biggest wall there's gonna be. Doorway, window, and I got the first layer down here. So what I did was order live edge boards from a guy I know who has a portable sawmill. He dropped it off yesterday, and that's what we're left with. As you can see, it's going to overlap like this, and then I'll hammer it down up here, and then one hammer, a couple nails down here, but it's going to have this live edge look to it the whole way up the wall. I'll put the trim on the outside, and then later, after this, it's all good. I'm going to put trim out here on the edge of the door before I'll put the wall up and before we put the doorway in. Of course, I still have trim to do for the windows. Gotta fit the windows in there, make sure that they fit and everything. So it's moving slowly at this point in terms of being tedious, but I'm, in the last 3 weeks, my son and I really, ripped through some stages here, putting the stairs up and then getting this wall framed out. In the next month or two, before things really start to get crazy here with my schedule, hopefully I'm hoping to have most of the walls up. So this one is the biggest one. It's going to take the most amount of time, but once it's up, it's all, oh no, it's coming along. It's coming along.
Then, I needed help lifting the wall to secure it into place. And so that's when Matt, a close lifelong friend of mine, offered his hand one day in late August.
hitting the screw. Might need a second hole or something. I don't know.
What's the fucking look of that?
Yep.
Cut that out.
Push that out a little bit.
What do you mean?
Push the beam outwards towards the house. There you go. I at least it shouldn't split.
I'm trying to nail down into this guy.
Okay. First wall's up.